Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night. I have no idea when you're watching this video, so just take one of those. My name is Nikayla Kennel, and I'm a sculptor living in Phoenix, Arizona. For today, I wanted to recreate something that I originally did. This beauty right here. It's kind of like a little monster plant. I was watching Little Shop of Horrors and got really inspired, and then it kind of became a cross between Audrey Jr., is it? I don't know. Comment down below if that's accurate. And sort of the Piranha Plants from Mario. It turned out beautiful. It's a little top-heavy, very top-heavy. There's some cracks. It has very little detail. Usually I do these openings before I actually make the piece, but I was just, the muses hit me, you know? So if you want to see how I made this Piranha Plant, sparkle, please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you haven't already, and let's get started. So, what you didn't see while I was making this beautiful, beautiful plant is that I broke the leaves about 5,000 times. Anytime that happens, super glue. Honestly, it has saved numerous sculptures of mine. So this obviously takes after the Mario games quite a bit more than my original piece over there. Don't sue me, Nintendo. I really do like this. I think it came out phenomenally. It's really good. So what we're going to be doing with this is making a bunch of miniature baby ones that I'm going to be selling on my Etsy store. Hopefully I'll have those out by next week. Follow me on Instagram. You'll be able to see the process of making the baby ones of these. Have a good day.